Alright, so I've been waiting for this package for about almost 2 years now. I ordered it in November 2021. It is now March 2023, so about a little over a year. Uh, this is from Mercracing. Supercharger. It's for my Civic. I am super excited. This was not cheap whatsoever. I'll post their link on the description below. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so we'll start with the small one. I think the goodies are probably in this one or in this one. Let's get this one opened up. All right, and looks like this is the intercooler for probably the cold system. So it's not an intercooler, it's a radiator. I think this one has the blower. There's a little offset. I think these are just the parts, so let's open up the parts. Yep, these are all the parts. Hoses. Ooh. Oh, this is for the intake manifold. That's what that means. Oh, this is the manifold itself. Yo, so much stuff in here. This shit is dope. Look at that. Wow, these are a lot of parts. Brackets. Boy, look at this intake manifold. Shit is dope. It's hella clean. Alright, so there's all the accessories, and here's the main event. Ooh. Look at this bad boy. God damn. Oh my god, this is heavy. Twin root, baby. Oh my god, this is heavy. Boy, look at them twin screws. Yee. Holy smokes. This shit is dope. Look at the intake. Damn. 1900. Too bad my shit's been state ref twice. I made this purchase before I got my second state ref. So sad. Now I have to look for another HN. But I cannot wait to slap this sucker on. So y'all make sure you stay tuned for that one, because it's coming. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Shout out to Mercracing. Yeah.